Number 7. The simple modern insulated tumbler with lid and straw and lavender mist is an exceptional product that meets the demand for a durable, premium, and reusable 24 Oz tumbler. Crafted by the reputable brand Simple Modern, this tumbler stands out for its sleek, monochrome style. The tumbler's durable stainless steel construction ensures that it can withstand the rigors of daily use, making it an ideal choice for individuals seeking a long-lasting solution for their beverage needs. The premium quality of the materials used further enhances the overall appeal, lending an air of sophistication to the product. One of the standout features of this tumbler is its reusability, which aligns with the growing trend of environmentally conscious consumerism. By opting for a reusable tumbler, individuals can actively contribute to reducing single-use plastic waste, making it a choice that resonates with the current societal emphasis on sustainability. The inclusion of a lid and straw adds convenience.